Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ivy Bule, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back honey. So in today's video, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing this super cute, super easy, slick ponytail. So let's just get into it. I'm working on clean hair. I start off by combing my hair. Shortly after that, I apply the Isoplus styling gel to mold my hair. Next up, I'm going to be using this brush just to slick down my hair and using my scrunchie to create a bun like so. I'm going to use this piece of braiding hair to extend my ponytail. This part is self-explanatory. And this is how the ponytail should look like at the end. Just cut off the excess fiber that you won't use. And shortly after that, I'm going to be using my hair scarf just to lay my hair flat. So for this look, I'll be using this hairpiece, and this is how it looks. To create an extended ponytail, you're going to attach the weft to the braid and secure it with a bobby pin. And then you start wrapping it around. So all you're doing is wrapping the weft around the braid. This is the last weft that I'm going to be using, and just wrapping it around my ponytail. So you're just gonna wrap it around until this part. Section hair out and wrap it around the base to conceal the weft. Use got-to-be freeze spray to secure the base. So just brush the hair and fix it to your liking. And that's it. Add some oil for some shine and you are good to go. This part here is optional, but if you like, you can also do some baby hairs. If you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate your support. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Until next time, stay beautiful, stay positive, and stay blessed as always. Bye!